Welcome to Tottenham Hotspur Stadium in London. The Bears, who have won 3 in a row, take their 3-1 mark against the 2-2 Raiders. Great enthusiasm. Welcome across the pond, everybody.
Man, I love y'all boys, man. Let's go.
Hey, y'all know what it is. Rock out. Playmakers make plays, baby. Let's get it. Have fun. Hey, playmakers on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Playmakers.
Don't have no regrets. Go out here and take what you want. You had a good game last week, but this week reintroduce yourself. Yeah.
Another opportunity to prove ourselves, show the world what we're about to do.
Man. Make them feel you, all right? Make them feel you. Feel great, baby. It's another great day for some football here. Raider Nation, let's go. Let's go Bear Hunt. Bear Hunt on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bear Hunt.
Play for each other. We're all ready. Don't second guess yourself. Let that fly. Let's go play for the man next to you. Play for the man in front behind you. We're going to go out here and bust they from start to finish, man. Play hard. Let's go. Bring it in. Raiders on 3. 1, 2, 3. Raiders.
This will be the most physical game of the season. And for some of you, it'll be the most physical game you've ever been in. And if it's not, make sure it is.
Bring it in, man. Bring it in. Hey, we the boss on 3. 1, 2, 3. We the boss.
Once again, a 2nd and 15 situation for the Bears in this series. And he's got time no longer. And Chase Daniel goes down, and Max Crosby, who forced a fumble last week, making his first NFL start, rookie from Eastern Michigan, knocks back Daniel in a loss of 5. 3rd down and 1. And here is Jacobs with a first down. A couple of missed tackles, but the usually reliable Bears defense, and the Raiders, who started from their 10, are now at the 40-yard line.
Ingold is in there as the fullback. He comes over to the left. It's a toss play. Jacobs going to run behind him. Got daylight. End zone. Touchdown. Jacobs breaks through.
That's offensive execution at its best.
Hey, 10 plays, 90 yards, right down their throat. How they like that now?
Bears aren't too sure how many are coming. Raiders rush 4 on Daniel. Middle intercepted. Picked off by Morrow. Morrow's got it at the 25. Raiders are in business. When you make a mistake like that, you got to cash in.
Okay. My boy got it. That's the first career. And I got a first career, buddy.
Yeah, congratulations. Congratulations.
First career.
Here's Washington trying to run it in, and he does. Touchdown Raiders. You called it. What a shocker here in this first half thus far.
Great drive, great drive, great drive, great drive.
Good job, Trev.
Hey, keep inspiring. Keep inspiring the play call. Just like that, man. It's awesome.
Raiders have had the ball almost 7 minutes more than the Bears. And here on 3rd down and 5, Daniel goes down, and Benson Mayowa, who leads the Raiders in sacks, now has 4.5.
Let's with you, homeboy. Let's go.
Chase Daniel, who has thrown an interception, and he's going to go down again. A big sack. 3rd sack of the game, and Maurice Hurst knocks Daniel back inside his 20-yard line.
That's how you play. Let it go.
Sieg will snap it. Snap is perfect. Hold is good. On its way. Curling. Good. It is 17-0.
This Raiders group right now, they are playing out of their minds good. You know, when you talk about every game as its own chapter, this chapter is only half written right now. But the first half says physical domination, and if you don't step up and do something about it, you're going to have a long flight back across the pond to Chicago.
2nd down and 4. And the ball gets loose, and Jacobs is going to try to get to it, and the scrum is on. Bears get it. There's their first break of the game. And here is the touchdown by Montgomery. Bears get a break. Ticking advantage of a turnover that they didn't cause. And they get on the board early here in this third quarter. Second and goal from the 4. Daniel throws. Touchdown, Robinson. Third down and 14. Here comes the safety blitz, and the pass incomplete. And right now the Raiders, rattled by the Bears' revitalized defense, give them another life. They take advantage of it. That's what Chicago's defense has done. Fourth down coming up and no punt.
I'm telling you, high fives, they've got some energy right now in this stadium.
Yeah, we just got to pick these up a little bit. Be smart, but rush this guy. Let's go and finish.
And the Bears are in prime position to take the lead with 1:41 remaining in the third.
Daniel will take this snap in the gun. Looks right, waits for a receiver, goes end zone, jump up in the air is Robinson, touchdown, Bears lead.
Just a jump ball. Nothing really much as Gary and Colin can do about it.
Bears with 21 unanswered points in the third quarter alone. And Davis trying to turn the corner and does. Good game by Davis. And the punter O'Donnell back there as well. And a great return by Davis. Remember that penalty, the taunting, really hurt the Bears on this kickoff. And the Raiders will have the ball in Bears territory.
Let's go, O. Come on, O.
Cole will kick. And a fake. And a loose ball. Bears pick it up. Buster screen. Johnny on the spot. And the Bears will have the ball at the 24 of the Raiders.
After review, the ruling on the field will be changed. The runner was down by contact.
Going in motion, and there he is open. Renfro makes the reception, breaks a tackle and gets a first down before he's pushed out of bounds by Roquan Smith. 12th play of the drive. Carr looking one way in his pass, and it's going to be caught at the 2-yard line by Moreau.
It's a power eye look from the 2. Under center, here comes Jacobs. Jumps, dives over the top, touchdown! Touchdown, Raiders!
The Bears trail 24-21, and they have Chase Daniel going up top, and it's intercepted. Darian Conley picks it off. Second interception of the game, and this could ice it for the Raiders. Could be a last-ditch effort for the Bears, and Chase Daniel will go down, and that will end the game. Maurice Hurst, and the 4th sack of the game for the Raiders, who have won 2 in a row. A stunning game.
That's the ball I've been looking for. Every time. Every time. Feels good. Another win. Let's go. All they talk about is 13 sacks this. All offseason talked about us. We came in, we ran this today. Let's go, man. We're the nation, baby. That's how you dominate. That's how you make them talk about you, baby.
Hey, listen, I don't have a disco in here. I don't have a disco. Well, let's all start dancing. Say this, man. I'm 56 years old. That's the most fun I've ever had tonight, man. I am so proud of you. You have no idea. I mean, we've been through a roller coaster already, but what you proved today is one thing. You can beat anybody, anywhere, on any time zone.
Win on 3. 1, 2, 3. Win.